guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the Profits of Forex channel. My name is Krishanda Williams. Please like, subscribe, and share. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys something I'm seeing in the market real quick on the pair USDJPY. Join us on all platforms, Profits of Forex Facebook and Profits of Forex on Instagram. See what's going on, see what we're doing. Without further ado, let's get into it really quickly. I'm looking at the USDJPY pair on the 4-hour right now. Let's make this bigger. We see price has come into a zone right here. This is a strong zone area. And what we see here is a descending pattern, a descending channel. And what this channel represents is price getting ready to reverse. We have a double bottom at this area of structure, this support area. And we have, let's zoom in a little bit more. Put that away. We have a break in this structure right here, this trend line of this channel, and a pullback. So usually what I do is I look for 50 to 61.8% fib pullbacks. Let's get the fib tool out and measure from this, the start to the finish of this impulsive move. And we have a pullback here and to the 50% fib level. And what's also here at the 50% fib level is this resistance area, this resistance zone that has been broken. So price broke this zone, came back, pulled back, tested into the 50 fib level. Previous resistance is now support. So I'm looking for price to go up from here, you guys. Pretty simple. On the 1 hour, I believe this candle right here is an engulfing candle. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, yep, we have a railroad actually, which is a reversal signal. Let me move this. That price is going to continue to the upside. So I'm already in this trade, you guys. I got my stops below around here somewhere. And I'm looking to first take profit target is right here at this previous high. This will be the first take profit, second, third, and so on. These Fibonacci extensions. I'm in two positions. So first position, I'm getting out at this high, previous high. Second position is right here, but you can keep holding. What I might do is exit my first position right here, and the second position I will keep at a little bit above break even and let it ride. So I'm expecting price to go all the way up here. Move this. One second, guys. I'm expecting price to go all the way up here to this high. Okay, guys, so we're going to let this play out, and we'll give you an update in a few days, see how it does. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. And thank you for joining the family. Have a blessed one.